In a world where work never really stops, well-being often takes a back seat. But what if technology could make healthy living effortless, even during the busiest workdays? At xcubeLABS, we partnered with a visionary wellness platform to create a digital experience that puts employee health front and center. The platform needed a transformation, one that could turn a basic content library into an engaging, personalized wellness journey. The challenge was to design a space where users could seamlessly access fitness, meditation, and nutrition programs that felt inviting, intuitive, and motivating. We reimagined the experience with a clean, intuitive interface that inspires users to stay consistent. From a redesigned onboarding flow that welcomes users in seconds, to personalized dashboards that adapt to each user's goals. This wasn't just about UI, it was about changing daily habits. With smart content filtering, users can easily find classes that fit their mood or schedule. The responsive design ensures a smooth experience across devices, whether at home or in the office. Every feature was built to make wellness accessible, engaging, and truly personal. Our team used Figma and Adobe XD to craft pixel-perfect designs, brought to life with React.js, HTML, and CSS, delivering a modern, scalable, and human-centric experience. The new experience redefined how organizations engage employees in wellness. It didn't just encourage participation, it built a movement, a culture of fitness, mindfulness, and happiness, powered by technology and built with empathy. At xcubeLABS, we believe that when technology empowers well-being, organizations thrive. Because healthier people don't just work better, they live better.